Hey, what's good, YouTube? This your boy Kazo, you know what I mean? The truck really didn't do too. I ain't really do too much to the truck, you feel me? All I did was get a little vinyl strip, true dual catback in the back, and I just pretty much kept up with it. I'm about to be adding some chrome to this front, the headlights and grill. So that's the next change, and then we're gonna really see what goes on from there. But the truck really is still the same. It just got a little bit louder. I still got my cats on, but the truck literally sounds pretty good in my opinion. So I got two door catback coming out from behind both ends of the tire. 6-inch tips. It sounds beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. If you don't want something too loud, but you want like a rumble, like a deep tone, true door catback is the way to go. Especially for these built Silverados 07 to 13. I recommend it. In my opinion, I love it. So now I'm about to record the exhaust for y'all boys. It sounds beautiful. I can't lie. Remind you, I still got my cats on now. So if I want to go louder, you can always still go louder. But right now, I just like the tone that it's at. Eventually, I might go louder. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna show you guys right now. I guess you really see what I mean with that deep, like, rumble noise. It sounds beautiful, I can't lie. Like, if you don't want to be too loud, or like you want a deep tone, like a nice little rumble where people hear you from a good distance still, true dual catback is the way to go. I honestly love the sound of the truck. So right now, I'm not really worried about making changes to it. But yeah, that's true dual catback on a 2008 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8.